Hello, my name is Mahima. I am MBA and MSc in Stats. So today I'll talk about how you can make money online. So there is a website called NeoBucks. Here you can make money by just attending a small surveys, by clicking ads. If you like to play game online, so by playing game online you can earn money. Okay, so I'm not promising that you will make a huge amount of money, but you can make some amount of money so that you can buy pizza or you can buy your makeup product, your treats. Okay, so let's go to my laptop screen. So what you need to do, type NeoBucks in Google. So here is the first link. You need to open it. As you can see that I already had opened my account, so I am going to log out it. Okay. So when you open NeoBucks, you will get this kind of page. So first you need to register in NeoBucks. Put your username, whatever you would like to put, your password, then password confirmation, your email address, your referrals. If you have referrals, then put the name. If you do not have referrals, you may leave it blank. Your birth year, this verification code, you need to type it here and then click these two and then continue. Okay, so as I already had my account, I am going to log in it. Okay, so this is my account, and as I had told you that you may get money by just clicking the advertisement, so I am going to here view advertisement. As you can see, I already had clicked this advertisement, so this one is not clicked, so I am going to show you how you can do it. Then click on red dot. As you can see, waiting for the advertisement to load, so you need to wait until for the validation. Okay, so now it got validated and your account has been credited with $0.001. Okay, I am showing you next one. Then click on red dot, waiting for the advertisement to load. Validated. Okay, so you need to wait until your advertisement got validated. Okay, validation is needed. So this how you can get money. There is one more thing, it is showing ad price. Here you need to attempt 24 times. You need to click 24 times, and like you are tossing a coin, you may get head or tails. So you may toss 24 times or whatever time it has given, and just one time you may get some prize. So by clicking this, you may get some prize or you may not get any prize. Okay, both things can be happen. So it is showing nothing won this time. Okay, so now what you need to, you need to click 23 times to get prize. You need to see every time whether you are getting the prize or you are not getting the prize. This is how you need to click 22 times, and just one time you may get one prize. So this is another way, and one more way is mini jobs. Here you will get some jobs to do. As you can see, I get a job for 0.75 cents. So I need to complete this task and I will get this some money. One another way is surveys. As you can see, there are many options, and I had registered myself in survey time. So it do not have any survey for me. Anyway, I had registered myself in survey time, so whenever they will have survey for me, they will mail me. Okay, so that I can receive surveys and attend them. So by this way you can attend survey and earn money. There are several options and you can register yourself in all of them, and you can attend survey and earn money. Next one is games. If you like to play game online, so you play here and you can make money. As you can see, they are offering me for $0.1 to play the game. If I'll play game, I'll get this much of money. This is how you can earn money from Neobucks. So I'll take you to my home page. Here you can see that it is offering me a survey for 0.32. Okay, if I attend this survey, then I may get this much of money. There is one more thing. It is written here that the current survey time is this one. So whenever you go to Neobucks, you may get some survey time. If you will click ads in survey time, then you can buy referrals, and you can make more money too. So referrals are those, suppose you want to refer your friends, your family, and they will register their self. There is one more important thing to make money in Neobucks is you have to create referrals. You can share your link as much as you can. You can share to your relatives, your friends, your office mates, your lab mates, and anyone with whom you want to share. So if your referrals click ads by using your link, you may get money too. So these are the things. This is how you can make money in Neobucks. Okay. So guys, today I had informed you how Neobucks work. Okay. So there you have to keep two things in your mind, that you have to work in the given server time, and second one is you have to create more referrals. Share link with your friends, your relatives, your office mate, your lab mates. So if you have any queries or any kind of difficulties, you can leave your precious comments. And guys, please do subscribe my channel and press the notification button so that you can get the notification of my videos. Till then, bye bye, take care.